You see that? He accelerated like.
Did you get the
What?
Was there flames going out when you accelerated?
I saw the flames. I didn't record it when they were doing that. Nah. Yeah, no, you do it. And then when you got the hang of it, we could go.
No, I'm saying, do you want to go with Steelman?
No. You go first. You go first. I'm gonna record it. And I'm gonna record when Liam gets off the plane. How's it feeling? And then
Do you want me to record it for you?
I thought for a second it was doing the exact thing Larry was saying, like it was backfiring, but it did start, so it's fine.
Oh, kick back?
Yeah.
No, I knew our marriage was fine. We were fine. Remember?
Hell yeah.
That was dead on.
Wow. Yeah. 2 days, man.
Yeah,
2 days.
we fucking got it right. The same thing was happening to us.
Water cannon! Whoa! Hell yeah.
So you want me to go next?
Yeah, go ahead. Glad, Jeremy.
Hey, is our idle mixture set correctly? Does the RPM go through so we can...
No.
I didn't think so.
No, not so much.
Dude, you fucking took off.
Yeah, that's how I roll.
You fucking hard ass.
Whoa. Oh, you want to go?
Yeah.
I'll stay with you. You want to do it alone?
No, I want you to stay.
Safety.
All right, let's
Go safety first.
All right, you want to go with Brian or with me?
Anyone, man.
Yeah?
Anyone, man. Yeah. Let go.
All right, I'll take a turn to the right side.
Let go, man. Let go. I thought for a second it was doing the thing, the exact thing Larry said. Like it was kicked back. It was kicking back.
You just got to
It
really
started.
pull the starter.
Hell yeah. It's nice. Hey, you can't go too far, all right? It's still leaking. It's not leaking now. No leaks.
Well, it's just a little tiny dribble out of the fuel selector valve.
So it is good then, huh?
Well, it needs a new fuel selector valve.
And we need to take off the seat for that. That's what he said, right? Ain't no smoking, man.
Apparently, it's like a full pain in the ass.
Throttle, 1/4.
What's going on there, man? You guys need light or something?
Prop area clear. Prop clear? Watch out.
Oh, okay. Oh, prop clear? Go ahead.
Clear prop, motherfucker.
Okay, all right.
Prop clear.
Come on, man. Oh. Oh, you guys did that?
Yeah.
Okay, good?
Mags are good?
Nice.
You pulled out of there pretty fast. Did I pull out of there faster than that?
I know, yeah, that's like what? why did he take on like sudden acceleration?
Did I pull out faster than you did?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know when you play Mario Kart
Yeah.
and you step on it like 3, 2, 1,
Yeah.
like that.
That's how I roll, Bugs. Whipping it on the brake.
It's too far.
No, that's fine. He doesn't want us to go out
Yeah.
there, like, on the taxiways.
Jeremy was like, "Hey, Bugs, you think we did the brakes good? Why don't you stand in front of the prop when they're
Yeah,
about to get here?" Like, I do, but I'm not gonna stand in front of it. I trust our brakes. I'm gonna stay here.
You can't hear you.
Oh, you gonna do it?
Running it up.
Oh. How many gallons do we have there? 2?
About 2.
2?
Yeah. But that'll go a good long time. This thing burns. Oh, you ran out?
Hell no! Come on, it's my turn, man. Are you serious? Ah.
Oh. Right here. Right here. Yeah, there's some.
Huh, what happened? Did I move the throttle too far?
You know, we probably fucking like fouled it out. Running all rich like this.
What's going on here?
Yeah, lean it out.
Yeah, so here, we'll go full lean, and then turn it a couple times, and
Okay.
then it's gonna start and I'll...
It should be full throttle, turned all the way lean to. Are you talking about trying to get it unflooded?
Yeah, that would work the best, but don't do that.
Okay. So go like half throttle and then
No,
lean.
just give it a quarter throttle like your normal start.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you guys?
And then I'll play
You guys
with
want to
this.
clear? Watch
Yeah.
out.
Clear prop.
Clear prop here,
Clear
Bugs.
prop. All right. Clear.
All clear. That's a bad call.
Yes, things looking nice.
Oh, it fully took a shit?
I think so.
Yeah.
Pull it like hell?
Yeah.
Dang. Clear prop.
Start again. And then I'll because I think we gotta work it like a weed eater.
Okay.
Clear prop.
Clear prop.
Okay. Damn. Are we gonna do our dynamic balancing here on our propeller? Or on, okay. don't see no fire, man.
Oh, they got a little backfire.
Oh.
What's the story?
Our idle's not set right.
Oh yeah.
Just cleared it out. Was it shooting flames and shit?
Oh, a little backfiring, not much.
Yeah, I just cleared it out and everything.
So we need to reset idle.
Yeah, idle needs to be reset. Mixture control is working and everything.
It's too rich, right? We need to lean out the mixture control, don't we?
Yeah, or we might be too lean on idle because we're not getting that Stokio.
Did it die out on you again?
If it's
No,
rich.
no,
cut
I
it,
shut
kill
it
it?
down. I shut it down.
Oh yeah, if it's rich, it's supposed to go.
Well, let bugs get a turn.
Yeah,
Yeah, no, I know. That's why we shut it down so we could.
Let's go.
save some gas.
It's my turn.
All right, bugs. I'm gonna go with bugs.
How'd that go, man?
Oh, that was easy.
All right.
Yeah,
Everything's still on. Master's on. All the lights on.
It's my turn. Let's go.
You got the checklist there?
Oh, yeah. Let's read through this.
You want me to hold the camera?
Hell yeah, man.
All right.
Let's go. Let's go through this thing real quick.
All right. What do we got,
Did
Captain?
that. Make and done. No seatbelts.
Let me get my feet on the rudder here.
Test the brakes. Just push this up, right?
Right, that's it.
Alright. It's working. Master switch on.
Master's on. You got the strobe and the lights.
Okay. Full fuel valve handle on. It's right there.
Fuel valve's on.
Okay. Carburetor heat. Cold.
It's cold.
Okay. So everything is set. Mixture rich. Yep.
Yep.
Primer. No need.
Yeah,
Ignition.
give it one pump. Just pull it all the way out and push it all the way in. No, pull it all the way out, push it all the way in. There you go. All right. Get your.
It's not locked yet.
It doesn't lock.
Oh, okay. All right.
Get your door shut there.
Quarter. That's about right. Close the door.
Let's just crack it a little, because they're saying it's a little bit off.
All right. So. Prop. No, not yet.
No.
Starter handle. Pull. Oh shit. Let's go.
Now call clear prop.
Clear prop.
Make sure your brakes are on.
Mags on off. I should put
Yeah,
that.
put mags to both. You got push and turn.
There you go.
You remember how to do your mag check?
When it's running, I go left, and there's a slight drop on RPM.
Right.
It's good. Then go right,
No. Go back to both.
and then go.
Then go right. Then go off.
Oh, so I push it all the way down to the left, and if it's got the drop, go back to both, pushing it all the way, and then
Yeah.
push it in, and then don't release it until you go right.
Make sure you hit both mags.
Yeah.
So you go from both to
Yeah.
left to
Yeah.
both to right
Okay.
to off.
All right.
And before it dies completely, turn it all the way back on to both again.
All right. This is on both right now.
All right. Call clear
Alrighty,
prop.
man.
Pull the starter.
Clear prop.
You gotta pull it hard.
Okay. This.
No, that's the prime.
Oh yeah. No.
No, right there next to it,
Where that?
under the keys.
Oh, there you go. There.
There you go.
Oh. Okay. There you go.
All right. Mag check.
Push it down, right?
Just turn it to left.
Turn it to left for
Yeah.
now. Where's the RPM? Alright, slight drop.
Okay.
Go back to both.
Yep.
Then push it down. Go right.
Go to right. Yep. Slight drop.
Yeah.
Go to off. And before it dies,
Off.
put it to both.
That.
Killer.
Alright.
All right, let's roll this thing.
Alright, so I'm gonna release the brakes.
All right.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright.
Leave your hands down.
Hey, you do the steering, alright?
No, you're on the steering.
How do I steer it?
That's it, man. Just left and right, just like that. You feel it?
Oh, yeah. Hold on, let me.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I got it.
All right.
Alright, still right.
Okay.
How do I slow down?
Throttle.
Right.
Throttle back.
Alright.
And you can cut a sharp curve by hitting the right brake or the left brake. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Well, you know what? Step on the pedals and I'll follow, so I would have the feel.
Okay.
I'm just gonna put my foot on it.
Okay.
And I'm gonna feel the movement.
All right.
So I don't wanna turn this thing too hard. Not like the. Alright, alright.
Whip it.
See, I might be. Alright, let's put some juice in there.
Just a little. It's really touchy.
Okay.
Oh, give it a little less.
Yeah, let's run those full over.
Oh yeah. Give it a little more. Whoa. Back it off.
Alright.
Okay.
Oh!
You're all right.
Alright.
All right. So I'm gonna cut us around right.
Alright.
All right. Let off the left brake, just the right brake.
There you go. I'm off.
Okay.
What's up?
Okay. No, hang on. Here. All right, now it's all you. You take over around the pattern.
Alright, now it's gonna take a video. Let's go. Alright.
All right, hang on. We'll get you.
Alright.
Wait, it's going, right? The red light's flashing?
It's going.
All right, go.
Come on. Alright. Oh shit.
Just hit your brake.
Okay. Oh, damn. I'm holding the wheel, man. Alright, there you go. Are we going too fast or?
Yeah, don't go too fast, man, because this thing wants to fly.
Okay. Alright, stepping on the brake.
Just the right brake.
Okay, there you go.
Okay. You feel how that cuts the corner?
Yep.
All right.
Slow it
Take us
down,
back around to them.
down.
There you go. You got it.
Oh shit.
Oh, give it a little more.
Alright,
You killed it.
brakes.
No, it's all right.
Alright, so.
Just start it up again.
Okay.
Just pull the starter.
Crap. A little bit of. Okay. Full weight, yeah. Okay.
We can lean this a little bit.
Oh shit, I turned it off.
Just pull it back out.
Alright, there you go.
All right. Just start it up again.
Alright, let's go.
Clear prop.
Clear.
Do you have the master on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Pull it back out. Just pull it hard. No, this starter.
Yeah.
Pull it really hard. There you go.
Alright. Right turn, slowly.
Yep.
Fuck, I keep on.
You're all right. I
keep on fucking holding on the wheel, man.
All right. You want to go around again?
No, you do it, man.
All right.
Turn, man. Let's go.
You all set?
Good shit, man.
Good shit.
Good shit.
Well
Good
done.
shit. Well done, man. I like the
Great
coaching.
song.
I like the mentor. I like the mentoring. Yeah, I'm gonna see how you work on the controls, man. Yeah.
Let's get a figure 8 on here.
A what?
Figure 8.
Figure 8? Oh, okay. Oh, someone's flashing the light. Oh, nah.
Yeah,
fuck
that's
it.
return to starting point.
Okay. Oh, that's Larry. Okay, I got it.
Probably. Other or else it's Mike being a jackass.
Sweet. Fist bump. Let's go.
Now give me the idle cutoff. Oh, never mind. We just died it out on idle. Alright.
Off. Pull the
Master off?
keys out. Yep.
Well done, Bugs.
Ah. Hell yeah, man. I kept on holding on the wheel, man. Whoa. Brakes. Where's the brakes at?
You got to stand on the brakes. You can't stand on them and get out.
Yeah, where's the brake at?
There is no master brake.
There's no like.
No.
Maybe pull out. Oh.
Just hop out.
Shit.
How cool is that, dude? Give me some of this. Oh, fuck yeah.
Hell yeah. Done, man. We've done it.
Did you record it?
Hell yeah, the whole thing, man. I'm gonna post it on Facebook.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's do that. Until we tie this thing down, I'm gonna record this thing.
Uh-oh.
So.
We're heading for the,
Where's Jeremy?
That's good.
Here, go grab the other spar.
Go get all these.
Alright, let's go.
Ready? We gotta back it in, huh?
No.
Oh, yeah, we do.
Oh, okay. What's that?
Oh, come on. You guys are pulling one side.
Right there?
There you go.
All right. Done.
Bring it back a little bit more. Another foot.